Welcome to part 6, change the working directory. There's one small change that we need to do in order to make our application work. That's by setting the working directory to this location right here. So let's flip on over to Python Anywhere, and we are in the Files section. What I want you to do is, let's actually take a look at the dashboard.py file. Let's go inside Corona, and then inside dashboard.py. So this is the Python Anywhere editor. So you can see that our files have been uploaded correctly. But if you look down a little bit, what you'll notice is whenever we read in the data, we give a relative path. We do not give an absolute path. So this path is relative to the working directory for the application. So this is usually this is set somewhere in some configuration setting. So it's looking into this data folder and then going to read one of the CSVs. Okay, so let's go back. And as you can see here, the data folder is on the same level as dashboard.py. So it needs to assume that the working directory needs to be home/denderdata/corona. That's what we need to set it to. And if we go back over here to the web tab, and we scroll down, we'll see that the working directory isn't home. It is not home/denderdata/corona. It's just home/denderdata. So it's not going to read in properly because of that. So what we need to do is edit this, and we do that by just clicking on it, and just going to add /corona, and then press OK. And that should not have been clicked. But yeah, so that's how we edit our working directory. And we're going to set it as home/denderdata/corona. So our dashboard.py file, whenever it runs, that read CSV function can properly find the data directory and read in the data.